Is it permissible in accordance to the sunnah to wrestle with your wife? Oh, dear. I mean, you can play with your wife, Ikhwan, of course. But in terms of wrestling with your wife, then I wouldn't do it in front of the kids. Just in case you get embarrassed, Yakhim. But I mean, if, and it is the case, that some of the brothers have wives who possibly practice martial arts prior to practicing Islam. Sahih. From the women are those who used to be kickboxers. Sahih. Or used to box. Or acquainted with wrestling. As I say, be careful, don't do it in front of the kids. Just in case you get embarrassed. No.